top important GK questions. And please comment your score below out of 20. And please watch the video till end. What is Brahmaputra river called in Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is Dihang. Which of the following is a peninsular river? The answer is Narmada. Which of the following is the largest west flowing river in Rajasthan? The answer is River Luni. Which among the following is the food tube? The correct answer is Oesophagus. Mohini Attam is associated with which Hindu god? The answer is option number C, that is Vishnu. Aluyuttu is folk dance from which state? The answer is Nagaland. Who among the following was Akbar's revenue minister? The answer is option number B, that is Toder Mal. What is Parsi New Year known as? The answer is option number B, that is Navroz. Who wrote the book The God of Small Things? The answer is option number D, that is Arundhati Roy. Who wrote the book A Handful of Nuts? The answer is option number C, that is Ruskin Bond. Who is the author of the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? The correct answer is option number A, that is Dadabhai Naroji. The book Gitanjali is written by? The correct answer is option number C, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Captain Hawkins and Thomas Roe visited India in the reign of Dash. The answer is option number C, that is Jahangir. Who started the magazine Kesari? The answer is option number B, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Which article of the Constitution of India provides equal protection of the laws and equality before the law? The correct answer is option number D, that is Article 14. Which part of the Constitution of India talks about the directive principles of state policy? The correct answer is option number A, that is Part 4. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the definition of the money bill? The correct answer is option number B, that is Article 110. Who is the first law officer of India? The correct answer is option number C, that is Attorney General. Earth's core is mainly made up of? The answer is option number C, nickel and iron. Where does Alaknanda River join the Bhagirathi River in India? The answer is option number C, that is Dev. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And please comment your score below.